Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make bubble gum balloons. First, select a fresh piece of bubble gum, as older gum might be too stiff. Chew the gum for about 2 to 3 minutes until it becomes very soft and smooth without any sugar crystals. Then, use your tongue to flatten the gum into a small, circular disc, roughly the size of a quarter, against the roof of your mouth. This creates the perfect base for your balloon. Now, carefully position the flattened gum disc against your front teeth. Using the tip of your tongue, gently push the gum through the gap between your upper and lower front teeth. This action will start to form a small, thin pouch of gum on the outside of your mouth, just beyond your lips. Ensure the pouch is sealed around the edges to prevent air from escaping prematurely. This step is crucial for a successful balloon. With the gum pouch formed, take a slow, steady breath. Now, gently and continuously blow air into the small gum pouch you've created. Imagine you are slowly inflating a tiny balloon. Maintain a consistent, gentle pressure to allow the gum to stretch and expand outwards. Avoid blowing too hard or too quickly, as this can cause the gum to burst prematurely. Aim for a smooth, even expansion. Once your bubble gum balloon reaches your desired size, stop blowing immediately. Gently pull the gum back into your mouth with your tongue, sealing off the air inside the balloon. You can then enjoy your perfectly formed bubble. To pop it, simply use your finger to gently tap the surface or press it against your tongue. Practice makes perfect, so keep trying to achieve larger and larger bubbles.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.